Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable auto night mode in Telegram. Friends, if you want your Telegram app to automatically use dark mode in night, then you simply need to press on these three lines. Now here you need to press on settings. Now in settings you need to press on chat settings. Now in chat settings you need to scroll it little down and here you will find auto night mode option. By default it is turned off, so you need to enable it. Now after enabling auto night mode, you need to tap on auto night mode. Now here you will find option adaptivity is selected by default, so you can change it to scheduled. Now in schedule you can use sunset and sunrise to use auto night mode, or you can use a time, like by default there is a time from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. to use auto night mode. So you can use either of the setting. I will prefer to use sunset and sunrise. So after enabling auto night mode, now your Telegram app will automatically use dark mode in night. So friends, like this you can very easily enable auto night mode in Telegram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.